Hello guys, welcome to Coding T Point. Today I'm going to show you how to write a program in Java that will add two numbers. So we are going to open our notepad first of all. Notepad. We're gonna write a program that will add two numbers. First of all, we have to make our class. We have to give some name. Let's give the name add, class add. And inside we have to write public static void main. Void main, and inside void main string s in capital argument. Then we are going to add two numbers, so we need the first number and second number. Integer number 1, let's give him some values 10. Integer number 2, let's give it some values 15. Sorry. And the last one, integer. And the last one will be integer result. And integer result is equal to result variable is equal to number 1 plus number 2 plus number 2. So let's print the output system.out.println. So remember, s should be in capital. System.out.println. Give it some space. Then the result is, let's give some space. The result is, let's concatenate it, result. So this is a program. Let's save it. I will save it inside my Java folder, the folder that I've created this folder in order to keep all my programs inside. Let's give it some name, add.java. Let's compile and execute a program. Open your command prompt. Let me open my Java folder. Let me get inside Java. Now let me compile my program. Java add.java. As you can see, there is no error. Now I have to run my program. As you can see, I've put A's in capital here because the name of my class is add and A is in capital. That's why I put A. But here A is not in capital. Why? Because the name that I've given to my program while saving was add, but A was not in capital. As you can see, this is very important. Java add. Java add. You see, the result is 25. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to make the next video. In the next video, we're gonna add two numbers, but we will make command line argument. And after making that video, I will make another one in which we will take the input from the user. So stay connected because so many videos will come. Thank you so much for watching this video.